Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point for upcoming OAS exam 30 current affair asked. This is the second part of July month of current affairs. Each part contain 50 plus questions. Our target 30 out of 30 mark. So don't time waste. Let's start the first question. The Drug Controller General of India DCGI has given approval to India's first fully indigenously developed vaccine against dash. Your right answer is pneumonia. Option 1 is your correct answer. Union MOS Shipping Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated first container ship from Kolkata Port, West Bengal to Agartala, Tripura through Chattogram Port, which country? Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which state government has inaugurated Smriti Van on the occasion of Harela festival? Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who among the following are the laureates of Nelson Mandela Prize 2020? Your right answer is both 1 and 2. Mariana Bardino Yanis and Morisana Kuete. Both are correct. India planned to create its first overseas oil stockpile in which country? Your right answer is United States. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which country is going to host 22nd edition of FIFA Men's Football World Cup 2022? Your right answer is Qatar. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the first West Asian and Arab nation which launched space mission to Mars named Hope or Al Amal. Your right answer is UAE. Option 1 is your correct answer. Tangmas are the critically endangered group belongs to which state? Your right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Option 2 is your correct answer. C.S. Seshadri, who passed away in July 2020, is a renowned dash. Your right answer is mathematician. Option 2 is your correct answer. Who had the investment clearance cell ICC set up by Ministry of Civil Aviation for assistance and clearance of proposals in domestic civil aviation industry? July 2020. Your right answer is Amber Dubey. Option 4 is your correct answer. Anasis 2 is the first military communication satellite of which country? Your right answer is South Korea. Option 2 is your correct answer. Indian Navy carried out passage exercise PASEX with Navy of which country near the Andaman and Nicobar Island? Your right answer is United States. Option 2 is your correct answer. Lalji Tandon, who passed away recently, served as the governor of which state? Your right answer is both 1 and 2, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. Option 4 is correct. Which country signed EPC agreement with Pakistan for 700 megawatt Azad Patan Hydel power project on Jhelum river? Your right answer is China. Option 5 is your correct answer. Great Prophet 14 is the military exercise conducted by which country? Your right answer is Iran. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which Indian chess player finished second in Grandmaster Triathlon tournament at 53rd Bell International Chess Festival? Your right answer is P. Hari Krishna. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance Company? Your right answer is Prakash Chandra Kanpal. Option 1 is your correct answer. Find the person who has become the first recipient of Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity. Your right answer is Greta Thunberg. Option 1 is your correct answer. The third unit of Kakrapar atomic power project has become India's first 700 megawatt unit to achieve criticality. Where does the Kakrapar atomic power plant located? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which is the first Indian company to reach the market capitalization of 13 lakh crore, 48th in world? Your right answer is Reliance Industries Limited. Option 1 is your correct answer. What is the maternal mortality ratio MMR in India in 2016 to 18 as per report released by Office of the Registrar General Sample Registration System SRS? Your right answer is 113. Option 4 is your correct answer. Which bank joined hands with Green Climate Fund GCF towards green recovery on the impact of COVID-19 disease? Your right answer is Asian Development Bank ADB. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which edition of world largest global fintech festival was organized by Payments Council of India PCI and Fintech Convergence Council FCC on theme fintech with and beyond COVID? Your right answer is first. Option 3 is your correct answer. The Reserve Bank of India publicized the report of the Committee for Analysis of QR Code recently. Who chaired the committee? Your right answer is Deepak B. Phatak. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Indian Overseas Bank IOB? Your right answer is Partha Pratim Sengupta. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which country built world first electrified rail tunnel that fit double stack container? Your right answer is India. Option 2 is your correct answer. As per RBI Financial Stability Report, gross NPA of bank may rise to dash by March 2021. Your right answer is 12.5%. Option 4 is your correct answer. What is India's rank among countries that have gained in forest area during 2010 to 2020 as per Global Forest Resources Assessment FRA 2020 released by the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO? Your right answer is third. Option 5 is your correct answer. The first 5 of 36 Rafale fighter jet from France landed at which airbase station of Indian Air Force? Your right answer is Ambla AFS. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which state is going to host 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Game in 2021? Your right answer is Haryana. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who authored the book titled The India Way, Strategies for an Uncertain World? Your right answer is S. Jaishankar. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the person who written the book named Quest for Restoring Financial Stability in India. Your right answer is Viral V. Acharya. Option C 3 is your correct answer. Name the India's first solar power ferry which has won first Guises Electric Boat Award. Your right answer is Aditya. Option 1 is your correct answer. Which district top Niti Aayog overall delta ranking of aspirational district for February to June 2020? Your right answer is Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the country which reconstructed 300-year-old Sri Sri Jai Kali Mata temple with Indian assistance. Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option 5 is your correct answer. Who has been re-elected for second term as the President of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB with effect from January 16, 2021? Your right answer is Jean LeCun. Option 5 is your correct answer. Narendra Modi, along with Pravind Jugnauth, inaugurated the Supreme Court building of which country? Your right answer is Mauritius. Option 1 is your correct answer. When was International Tiger Day observed annually? Your right answer is July 29. Option 5 is your correct answer. Somendranath Mitra, who passed away in July 2020, is the former Lok Sabha MP from which state? Your right answer is West Bengal. Option 3 is your correct answer. The central government target to achieve -% gross enrollment ratio in higher education by 2035. Your right answer is 50%. Option 4 is your correct answer. The government plan to increase the fund allocation of education sector to -% of GDP. Your right answer is 6%. Option 3 is your correct answer. Which world organization along with Pure Earth released the report titled The Toxic Truth, Children's Exposure to Lead Pollution Undermines a Generation of Future Potential? Your right answer is United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF. Option 3 is your correct answer. The India-Indonesia Defense Ministers dialogue was held at which city? Your right answer is New Delhi. Option 2 is your correct answer. Who authored the book named Burnt Sugar or Garland White Cotton? Your right answer is Avni Doshi. Option 4 is your correct answer. Central government in collaboration with which world organization has decided to convert the area of Rabin in the region of Gwalior Chambal belt of Madhya Pradesh into cultivable land? Your right answer is World Bank. Option 2 is your correct answer. Rani Mel Walil, who retired recently, is associated with which sports? Your right answer is squash. Option 4 is your correct answer. Amadou Gon Coulibaly, who passed away recently, is the Prime Minister of which country? Your right answer is Ivory Coast. Option 1 is your correct answer. What will be the mean average global temperature in next 5 years as per report Global Annual to Decadal Climate Update for 2020 to 24 released by World Meteorological Organization WMO? Your right answer is 1.5 degrees Celsius. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which state legal service authority and High Court organized India's first e-lok adalat? Your right answer is Chhattisgarh. Option 4 is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question number 100. Which ministry released the Pragyat guideline on digital education? Your right answer is Human Resource Development Ministry. Option 1 is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. Lastly, I am saying you the people, if you daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.